Alright, what's going on guys? It is Alex from Techerific back again with another video, and if you guys follow the channel, you might have seen that I made a video on the iPhone 13 Pro in the beautiful Sierra blue color. Now, I had paired it up with the Spigen clear case that I have right here that comes with MagSafe, so if you haven't checked out that video, make sure to go check it out. And today I want to check out the JETech case for the iPhone 13 Pro. It comes with MagSafe, it is clear. Somebody on the channel, one of our supporters, wanted us to check out both, give my unboxing and first impressions, and then a full review coming very soon. So you know the drill, we're gonna open up the JETech case right over here. We have this JETech usual packaging as well as the tape right over here that we're gonna pull out. And obviously we are greeted with some plastic packaging, and there you go. There is the case. Remove the styrofoam holder, and then there you go. There is the JETech case itself. So straight off the bat, it looks literally just like a clear case. It has the beautiful MagSafe ring, and yeah, there it is. So we're just gonna pop it onto the iPhone 13 Pro, and there you guys go. Straight off the bat, it looks really good. Now I am noticing, I'm not sure if the camera can catch it, but it kind of does have a textured back, as you guys can see. So I think those are like air cushions to protect the phone just in case it drops. And there is a noticeable camera bump right over there. So if we zoom in, you guys can see how much camera protection this case offers, which is really good if you set it down. Same thing, obviously I have a screen protector on this phone, but you can still see around the camera notch right over here how much of a groove there is. So you can really see how much protection that offers both on the camera and the front of the screen. In terms of how it feels in the hands, there are for sure deeper grooves around the back of the phone. You could really see it right over here, how the back of the phone kind of pops out, so you kind of can rest your fingers right in there, and it kind of offers a better grip, which is pretty nice. The buttons look pretty good. They are tactile. There is a beautiful cutout for the ring silence switch, as you guys can see. Very useful, works perfectly. The bottom, glossy finish, and overall it looks pretty good. Now one thing that I am noticing right over here is how the left grill, if we could get that to focus, there you go, you can see how it is not fully centered as the right grill is. So kind of an interesting design right over there, but the lightning port for the charger is nicely centered, which is good to see. And overall, other than that, it fits perfectly. It feels good in the hands. I did just put lotion on my hands because they were ashy before the video, and honestly, the phone case is not slippery at all. It is keeping its grip very nicely. We do have JETech branding on the bottom right, and it's just one of your normal clear cases with MagSafe. Now obviously it does have MagSafe, which means that we need to test out how it works. Whoops, we're just gonna set that just like so. Sticks right on. Let's test the charging. There you go, turns on and is charging. Yes, my phone's at 12%. I do need to charge it, but overall works great, looks great. So if you're in the market for a clear case, would I recommend the JETech? Yes, I would. You get everything that you need a clear case to do: design, protection, MagSafe. But the real question is, which one's better, Spigen or JETech? Visually, they look exactly the same, but in terms of which one's better, we're gonna discover it in the next video, where I will be comparing the Spigen and the JETech, giving you guys my full rundown and review. So that was my little unboxing and first impressions of the JETech clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 13 Pro. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this case, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe with notifications on if you haven't already. Share this video around with whoever may find it helpful or useful, and also check out all my socials at Techerific if you haven't already. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.